In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Odoo. If you need to work with a different currency in your Odoo account, the process is very simple once you know where to look. This is especially useful if your business works with international customers, vendors, or multiple markets. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to enable a new currency and, if needed, disable a currency you no longer want to use. To get started, go ahead and open Odoo and click on the Accounting app. This is where you'll manage financial settings, including the list of currencies available in your system. Once you're inside the Accounting app, look at the top toolbar and click on Configuration. Under Configuration, select Currencies. This will open the Currency Management page where you can view the currencies that are currently available in your Odoo setup. On this screen, you'll see a list of different currencies, and each one will usually have a switch or toggle next to it. Now find the currency you want to change to in the list. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one, since many currencies can have similar names or abbreviations. Once you've found the right currency, click the switch next to it to enable it. When that switch is turned on, the currency becomes active in your Odoo system and can be used where needed. If you previously had another currency enabled and you no longer want it available, you can disable that one here as well. Just locate the older currency in the same list and turn its switch off. This can help keep your currency options clean and organized, especially if you only want your team using specific currencies. One helpful tip is to review your enabled currencies carefully before leaving this page. Keeping only the currencies you actually use can make data entry easier and reduce the chance of selecting the wrong one later. And that's all there is to it. To change currency in Odoo, simply open the Accounting app, go to Configuration, select Currencies, enable the currency you want, and disable any previous currencies if necessary. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.